Hey everybody, it's Shelley, and it's been a long time since I talked about the old snipping tool from Microsoft that comes with your computer. And it's funny, I did a video on this 8 years ago, but yet when I work with folks, they aren't even aware of it. So I thought I would do this again. I'm going to show you how to find it and then how to use it. Basically, you go into your programs, you'll start typing in the search snipping tool, and there it is right up at the top. And that's pretty much as easy as it gets. And you'll also notice that down in my tool tray, I don't know if you can see that, but I have it added into my tool tray at the very bottom. Let's see if I can, I guess I can't move that. So let me show you how this works. I am on my screen, and down here, hopefully you can see this is the snipping tool. I'm going to go ahead and click that. Let me open my website, shelleyroth.com, and now I'm going to click on the snipping tool and click New, and now you'll see I can delay it. In this case, it's delayed 4 seconds, so if you need to do a drop-down menu. But watch what happens when I take this and hover over. The snipping tool lets me capture anything, and I can file, save as a JPEG file, and now I'll have a picture, give it a name and save it. Or as I do a lot of, let's go ahead and do another one. Clicking on the snipping tool, we're going to click New, and I'm going to come down here and we'll just save this first row. Now, instead of clicking Save As, I can just go into File or Edit, Copy, and then once I copy that, we'll go back to the PowerPoint. You'll see that I can go in and paste that image anywhere I want. So how cool is that? A lot of people don't know it's there right in Microsoft. It comes with your computer. Go ahead and delete that. Coming up, LinkedIn training, 3-part webinar series starts 9/10. I'm not sure you're getting this before or after the webinar series, but if you do sign up for it, you will get any recorded sessions. It's the month of September. It's a back to school special. Email me if you need any information at sroth@shelleyroth.com. Talk to you soon. Have a great weekend.